What's up guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to send or upload high quality image and videos on your status on WhatsApp. We all know that if you take a photo or take a screenshot and upload to your status on WhatsApp, it's going to reduce the quality and it sucks. But in this video I'm going to tell you how to upload the full HD image or videos on your WhatsApp status. So WhatsApp recently gave us an update. Now you can send HD pictures and videos to your friends in their inbox, but actually you can't still upload HD image and videos on your WhatsApp status. So I'm going to tell you a hack which I found out how you can do it, and it works pretty fine. I'm going to also prove it in this video. So first things first, you have to launch your WhatsApp and click on the message icon. You're going to see yourself in the first list. Click on it. Now I'm going to take a picture of something we are going to use as an example in this video. Okay, so after taking a shot of my lamp, my mini torch, I'm going to use it as an example. So first things first, you click on the camera icon. Here you're going to see at the top, and also you guys, you need to update your WhatsApp so that you can see this new feature. So you click on the HD icon. It's going to tell you HD photos are clearer, standard photo use less storage space and faster to send. So for the sake of this video, we're going to choose HD quality, and after checking the HD quality, we can now send it to our inbox. Here you can see the HD logo at the bottom left corner. So I'm going to do two types. One is not going to be HD and the other is going to be HD. So I'm going to click on the camera icon once more. And this one I'm not going to use the HD. So I'm going to use the standard quality, which you can see here. Now, if you want to upload HD videos, this applies to videos too. If you want to upload HD videos or pictures on your status, now what you're going to do is to click on the HD picture which you send on your inbox. Click on the three dots menu. Click on share. Click on WhatsApp. Click on my status. And we're going to write it. We're going to write HD so that we'll know the one we used as HD. So now let's upload the standard version, which is not HD. Share, same method. Again, I'm just trying to prove to you guys that it works perfectly. SD, which is standard. So let me go to my WhatsApp status. We have two of them here. The first one, which is HD, and the second one, which is SD. So to show you that this tutorial works perfectly, I'm going to zoom in the text of that torch so that you see the on and off button. So this is the SD. I'm going to zoom in. You can see the on. The text is very fuzzy. This is the SD standard version. So now let's go back to the HD version. HD. Let me zoom in. As you can see, This one look more cleaner and sharp. Again, this is the SD. You can see it is fuzzy. And this one is the HD, more sharp. So this also applies with screenshots. These also apply with screenshots. I took a long screenshot on YouTube and I'm going to send it to myself in SD and also send it to myself in HD. So what I'm going to do is to share both of them in my status. Okay, now we're going to zoom in both of them and see. This is the SD version. Everything looks blurry. You can hardly read the text. You can see here, you can hardly read the text because it looks very, very blurry. But let's go back to the HD version. As you can see, the text looks very, very sharp. Even after zooming way in, it looks very, very sharp. So this applies to videos too. You can do that with your videos, but have in mind that it's going to take more data if you are sending HD pictures and videos to your status. That'll be all for this quick video. If you like seeing more tutorial like this, make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you see my future upload. That'll be all for this one. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.